Consumer Cellular, now an AT&T subsidiary, offers two main routes to cancel service: closing your account entirely or porting your number to a new carrier. If you want to keep your number, porting is the way to go. Otherwise, you'll be closing the account. Prepaid plans have no early termination fees. Postpaid plans may have fees between $0 and $50 if canceled before the contract ends. Porting your number to another carrier ensures that your number is released within 2 hours, according to FCC regulations, which speeds up the process compared to older systems that took about 24 hours. We'll cover the steps for each option. Choose the path that best suits your needs, and remember to have your account information handy. To close your account, log in to your Consumer Cellular account through the app or website. Select Cancel Service and follow the prompts to confirm. Be sure to pay any outstanding balances to avoid collections. You'll receive a confirmation email. If you are porting your number, you'll need your Consumer Cellular account number, PIN, and the details of your new carrier. Provide this info to your new carrier, and they will handle the porting process. Consumer Cellular is required to release your number within 2 hours. A digital receipt, mandatory under data privacy laws since 2023, will confirm your ETF waiver if applicable. If you're using an app, note that Consumer Cellular has seen a 40% increase in cancellations from 2023 to 2025, and they have implemented AI chatbots for support. Canceling usually takes 1 to 3 business days, and you'll get a full refund for any unused prepaid balances.